Hey, welcome back. So lately, been extremely busy, like trying to meet the deadline, and deadline has arrived. But unfortunately, the breeder, the gold breeder, decided to tell us that he needed like 10 more days before me picking up the little boys. So I got a break. Therefore, I got time to do the video. So stay tuned and watch because we've accomplished a lot. Thanks. So we had a wonderful weekend. Me and Vivian moved all the rest. Everything is ready to go. Got 2 weeks before the movers come and move all the shelters. So this corner is like ready to go. So mover arrived to move the buildings. He is currently working on the horse shelter. Let's take a walk and see how he does it. And my neighbor's there also. So he's lifting the building on one side and putting like wheel behind. Then after that, he's driving to the next location. There you go. Vivian, the little general, is watching. And my neighbor's there because after he moved the horse shelter, he's bringing the chicken coop directly right here. Here we go, all loaded, and we're moving. It's gonna be slow, but it's gonna be done. And Vivian is preparing the corner for the chicken coop. I'm pretty sure we might have to remove the wheels because of the gate the building goes through, but add like another 9-inch on both sides. Probably we'll have to remove the wheels though. And went through the gate right there with no issues. Only had like little inch on both sides, and now it's going in the corner there. It's going right here. And now it's in place directly in the corner. So the next step, probably next week, remove the siding, remove everything, then do a forward half, then do a framing on this side because I'll store the feed and the hay on this side here, and the animal will sleep in that one. So chicken coop arriving from my neighbor. So chicken coop is in place. It's right there. All the chickens, May 5th, they're all going in there. And following May 5th, I have to build the huge pen in the back so that the chicken can run off in there. So the fence gonna start here. The coop, it's gonna go here past these trees. Then we're going all the way in the back. It's gonna be huge. But I need to get a hold of the forestry mulcher guy that he's coming with his machine and clean this wood. It's gonna go 10 times faster than me and Vivian with the chainsaw. So, little tour of our new chicken coop. So now Vivian will clean it, clean the interior a little bit more, and probably I'll paint. I still got a week so I can like give a fresh coat of paint everywhere. My neighbor used to have like 100 chickens in here. So chicken will go out on this one, and I got like this one also, they can go out. This is insulated, and I can pass an electrical wire from there so I can have like a heater inside. Yeah, it's great. So this is the machine. Here we go. And it breaks everything in this path. Whatever you do, don't jump in front because you won't exist anymore. Yeah, I don't want to get like too close to it because if he gets like rocks or chunks of like trees can like fly, so you have to like stay away a little bit, especially from the blade in front. But he's grinding everything. And after he's done, the only thing I got left is to go and buy a lawn seed and just redo the lawn right there. So it took him like 45 minutes to like clean air, and open up the area where the chicken pen will be. It's crazy because Vivian and I wanted to do it by hand, but just cleaning like this area and not cleaning like he did would have took us almost like a month, and it would still not be that clean. Expensive, but worth the money. And now he's cleaning that area, then moving into the goat pen and around Goat City. And we are starting pen number 2. That's before. Yeah, getting ready and gonna go make more room into the big summer pen for all the animals to run to, and clearing, he's gonna clear around Goat City right there. It's quite a change, eh? It's extremely clean now. Yeah, I asked him for like 8 feet, and once he did 8 feet, it was still looking like crap because of all the dead wood on the side. So I told him to do an extra 8, and now I can come true with the side by side, which is good. So we're doing the trails all the way up to the beavers. So the guy is directly here at the junction, and the beaver dam is right there. Oh, big beaver! Oh, Vivian is not happy. I just called her a beaver. Little beaver. So I asked the guy to come and do the trails all the way to the beaver dam, because the little critters, buggers, or whatever you want to like call them, yeah, they're having fun and destroying everything just to make sure that their little dam right there is fun. But they'll have a surprise. I got a mulcher that will mulch all the corner here, so they will have like nothing to like chew on. Yeah, Vivian is discouraged. So fresh new start equals fresh new paint. Just finished giving like a fast coat of paint. It doesn't have to be extremely pretty, because as you can see, we clean as much as possible. There's still like poop everywhere from the old chickens that was here, but it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day there's going to be like full of poop here. So our plan, I'll put like a plastic everywhere. Then after that, it's going to be wood shaving everywhere. I have to put back the poles for the bird to sleep at night, just there. But I'm waiting for it to dry. And that's it for chicken coop. So chicken just arrived. I'm happy because they're the nice red one. When you order them from the catalog, you have like no clue what they will look like, but they're all here. Lucky for me, I was ready for them. The only thing I need to go is buy like another pail, another water for inside, because outside I'm waiting for the Amazon delivery. For me to do like a big 55 gallon, it's going to be outside in the pen behind. Since we had the chance to get a post pounder, we did the posts. There's a couple that are crooked, we just have to like adjust them, that one and that one, but they're all done. I'm not a pro at like backing, so I asked for Vivian's uncle. He was the one like driving the side by side with the post pounder, and we managed to do it. And if you notice, the first plan was the fence coming here. We were supposed to tack on the tree, but I decided at the last minute to avoid tacking in the tree, so I'll keep the tree. So we went that way. And Vivian kept like bugging me that one is like not at its correct place, should be like 2 feet that way, but the original plan was to go directly and staple on the tree there, but I decided to save the tree, so that's why it's there. But yeah, we got that one to fix, and I think it's this one. No, it's this one. That one we have to like just push it backward a little bit. So tomorrow morning I'll be driving to UFA to buy the fence, because UFA is closed on Sunday. So I'll go and get the fence, and while I have help. So with the help of Nelson, I managed to finish the outside chicken coop, do all the fencing and all the posts. Some of it is crooked, but I don't care. And the chicken don't actually mind. Anyway, so we raked the entire thing and we put everything there. The mulcher, great machine, but it leaves a lot of stuff. And it's great when you don't have to move it, but here I had to rake it all. But it's done. Some of them remain inside, as you can see. They're not all outside. And with the flock only came the chicken. 2 days ago I went and got a rooster, and he's hiding at the top because everyone is attacking him non-stop. Oh, it's gonna take a couple of days for them to accept him, but he's there. We put food and water there because he can't come down. As soon as he comes down, he's being attacked by the other ones. And trust me, he can run and fly. Whoa, 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 I saw you. Chicken waterer, homemade. It costs like 20 bucks to do these ones. We went and bought the expensive one, and it took less than an hour for all the chickens to break the spring in the water versus this one, $20. It's really great. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Hey, stay tuned for the upcoming video about the making of Goat City. Until next time, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye-bye.